Welcome everybody. Today, with a huge pleasure, I would like to invite you to license optimization services. That's a line of services that we provide for every Dynamics Finance and Operations customer. It is pretty quick, and let me walk you through all the steps that are needed to get this done. The first one, what we do in the processes like this, we do pre-scoping activities to find out what is your top 10% of the roles. What does it mean? We go to finance and operations, we identify what is your top most common position in the organization, because those top 10% will be actually between 60 up to 80% of your licensing cost reduction. That's the sweet spot we want to aim for. Then when we got that done, we have to define business process leads or subject matter experts, which are going to be responsible for each area on which we're going to focus on to deliver your license optimization. Then we'll meet with them and we record the day-by-day business processes. So all the other stuff that we have to work around, naming conventions, so forth, that's on our side. We just need to focus on your business. When this is done, we build security roles. One role is one position. That will give you a better understanding of the role design. It will give you much more clear roles and security aspect. When we have this done, we transfer those roles to the business. Business will tell if it is right or wrong. So they are just judging if they are able to perform all business activities. If they are ready, we have a sign-off. We deploy to the production and we get that done by 10%, 60 up to 80% of the licensing reduction. So now let's go to finance and operations, where I can show you what we actually do when we do service or license optimization. Typically focus on all positions in HR, where you have your all HR data along with your email addresses. So we are able to make grouping based on job title, but also we can take the email address to make sure that if the worker has no email address and potentially they are not actually in finance and operations, so they shouldn't be in it, we are able to delocate accounts. So you have one component, which is finding out what is the most common position and delocate users which are having positions which shouldn't be actually in the system, like cleaners, like people which are doing some job which is actually non-digitalized. It is a very quick solution to clean up your whole user database in finance and operations. So that aspect, plus of course the redesign of your business process positions versus roles. So in here, we do that aggregation. And then when we found out what is your 10%, so what are the most common positions in finance and operations, we jump into other report, which is available in Executive Automat's security setup. And that report, of course, this whole package, this whole suite for security is deployed for time being of that service. We go here to the security licenses, into the security user license summary to find out what user has what type of license. This has out-of-the-box calculation, how many basic finance accounts, how many basic SCMs, how many team members and activities are right now for the current state of the system. And then we are able to compare that right after optimization. What is the result? So you have before and after total optimization done over the project. And then you are able to align with number of licenses that you've purchased based on your contract with Microsoft. This and much more is available within Executive Automat's platform. Feel free to reach out to us. You've got the contact details right on the screen, and we'll be more than happy to optimize your licensing in finance and operations. Stay tuned.